Dia Mirza said Kareena is cheap and plastic. Why did Dia Mirza said made this kind of statement on Kareena from nowhere? It was an event on the Independence Day and Kareena was requested to be there and she couldn't avoid it. But she was creating mess from the beginning and arguing with the event manager verbally. She was supposed to share the stage with Dia Mirza, Namrata Shirodkar and Urmila Matondkar. According to Dia Mirza, Kareena did not want to share stage with them. She didn't even come up on the stage. She even didn't show any respect to the senior actors like Urmila or Namrata as they are not at all popular these days. But when she was throwing tantrums regarding the dress codes and Dia got really angry. The problem started with dress code of the event. Everybody was dressed in white salwar suit with national flag. But Bebo wanted to wear a designer sari with heavy jewelries that didn't even go with the occasion. Dia asked Namrata to get ready as they were being late for her only and the event was about to begin. Just for this reason, Kareena shouted at Dia nastily in front of Urmila and Namrata and told her to behave properly. She also said exactly to Dia that Dia was no one to advise Namrata on dressing sense. Kareena even said that Dia has no class to say anything upon her because she is not at all successful actress like her. This rude comment made Dia very upset as she was not expecting such arrogance from Kareena Kapoor. She also got the shock when Kareena didn't bother to say sorry to her later. Kareena is always in the news for her arrogance and bad mouth. According to Kareena, the other actresses were not equal to her standard. This is not new for Kareena because everyone knows how she rudely behaves with all the actresses. From Amisha to Bipasha, she has commented on all and now it is Dia. Being the part of the Kapoor family, she thinks she can dominate everyone. And thus, she is only increasing the numbers of her enemies. No wonder for all her arrogance, attitude and rough comments don't allow her to make any real friends in Bollywood. When she appeared in the industry, she was so outspoken that people used to avoid her. Even her very first movie, Refugee, was the proof. Everyone was totally disgusted by her tantrums during the shoots. Even after so many years and having a successful career in Bollywood, things haven't changed much till now. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.